Hi, my lovely ladies. My name is Bren, and I am coming to you from wigstudio1.com. You can receive 30% off most pieces by entering the promo code BEAUTIFULYOU at checkout. When Jon Renau is allowing their sales, you can enter JR30 and receive 30% off of those pieces as well. Wig Studio One also provides a large online support group on Facebook. It is called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. When you join, you'll find a lot of ladies just like you suffering from hair loss, whether it may be from trichotillomania, chemo, heredity, whatever the case may be, we're there to help you and support you through it. It does get easier, I promise you that. And it gets so much easier when you have the encouragement of other women that know what you're going through, because it's just so lonely, but it doesn't have to be. I have a YouTube channel. It is called Fake Hair Real Talk with Bren. And on that channel, I share with you tips and tricks that I've learned along my hair loss journey, which has been pretty crazy. I also sell pieces that I have reviewed and pieces that I've purchased on my own. So if y'all are interested in that, y'all hop over and join me, and I'd love to see y'all there. This review is over Jon Renau's Sarah in Pralines and Cream. This color, I love it. Shaded Pralines and Cream. And you can see the dark root because it's shaded. I love this color so much. So I bought Pralines and Cream without that root, without that shade. Here they are together, shaded, not. I was so excited when I got her in. Okay, what they describe it as is a medium natural blonde, ash blonde, with medium red and gold blonde blend. Okay. So you see that looks, I don't really know if, I'm afraid it's going to get dark and I'm not going to be able to show y'all. I love it. Let me show you her lace front. You'll see that? That's why I love lighter colors now. With Jon Renau at least. Because it doesn't have those knots. And I love their styles, and I've had to force myself to get out of my comfort zone into something else in order to fix my knot phobia. So, there you go. Okay, I love this wig so much. I have 3. She is 100% hand-tied cap, and she has a full mono top. I love a hand-tied cap. It feels so nice to my head now that I shaved it. It's just heaven. She has a lace front, gorgeous welded lace front. And if you feel the desire to cut the welded lace front, use Jon Renau pinking shears. They said it helps prevent your lace from frying. And I did that to this one. I like it because I'm not growing my hair out, I promise. But I am growing that little part out because I got nuts and I just, but when I put it on with this, I got to do something. I know I'm looking good. There. Sorry. My hair goes through it, and I'll show you in a second. She has velvet ear tabs with bendable stays. She has an extended nape. And it also has some metal stays in there as well, which will hug around your head, around your neck. She has Velcro adjusters when you find your spot, leave it so it doesn't wear out. And if it does, I guess you get a needle and thread and sew where you need to. But here's her top. Okay, let's put her on. Love her. Do you ever think that I'd be tickled to death about a blonde curly wig? I am. And do you see how my little brown hair fuzzies go through, if you just get it right, those zigzags? So I bought the wavy, but I like this better. Okay, let's talk measurements. My circumference of my head is 21 inches around. So it's on the little smaller side. My head from my hairline to the tip of my chin is 8 inches and my neck is 4. So that helps y'all get a sense of where this piece is going to fall on you when I read you your measurements. I hope, because it can make a world of difference, I promise. I wore her today because it was raining and I wanted to have pretty curls. With her having the full mono top, let me show you. So she's parted this way. It's hard to do it with longer hair. I don't want to mess up her curls, but you can do it that way. You could do it down the middle, which I really don't want to mess up her curls. You get an idea. And you could cut bangs in her, and I'm definitely not going to show you because I would mess up her curls worse, and I don't want to. There are so many styling options with this piece. You could put some adhesive and hold her down. You could braid her back off the face. You could pull her back. You could pull her completely up with some pretty, pretty curls. I mean, I think she's so cute. I don't want to wear her every day because, you know, sometimes you want to look cute when you go to the store. I love her. Let's go outside and look at this color. Look at this color. That golden, auburny color. I love it. Look at this. I love it, guys. If this video helped y'all, like and subscribe. Bye.